I had no idea about this when I first started, and it's a game changer. Seriously, if you're thinking of an online business, okay, stick with me because now, I mean, what I know now is insane. You can get 100% profit for promoting products in digital marketing. I started in affiliate marketing. I was getting between 10 and 40%. I know, right? 100% now with digital marketing products, and this insane legacy builder program is changing lives every day. I'll show you in a second exactly what's going on. But let me just show you a calendar. How much is actually happening this week? It's insane. Unbelievable. So just this week, right? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up until Monday next week, 6 calls. Laura St. John here, right? Guest speaker, celebrity manifestation coach. You get that inside this program. And just take a look at this. What? $1,000 day? First sale? 900 sale? 900, 100 launch pad, 27K in April. 1,800. Unbelievable. 600, 100. 900 was picking daughter up from school. 1,300 sin sales for April. 61K in April. And we're only on the 23rd. 6,600 first 2 weeks. 30K in 6 weeks. Is it sinking in? This Legacy Builder program, guys, it's only been out for 2 weeks. It's already hitting close to 2 million in sales, and it is changing people's lives. The education alone inside here is going to teach you everything you need to know on how to create your own business in digital marketing, affiliate marketing, create your own products, brand yourself. It's unbelievable. You also get 8 bonuses. Without my bonuses, you get 8 additional bonuses. And don't forget, I've got PAYMENT plans to help you out. If you want to learn about this, guys, seriously, drop yes in comments. I'd absolutely love to share the information with you. Let's get you.